On top of the news, the cynics and the naysayers said it could never be done. A sour-graping vice president even mocked the DA chief's announcement last week and said the grains under the program are intended for swine feed, not human consumption. Now, the president's campaign promise of 20 pesos a kilo of rice is set to make its debut in the Queen City of the South on Labor Day, as our Clazel Partilla narrates the full story.
Marzo carefully measures the rice he is cooking to avoid any waste. He chooses rice that costs between 40 to 50 pesos per kilo, an affordable option, with the price of rice way above cost, and the high tuition fees of his 2 children. Saving every peso counts.
Maganda yung mura kasi sa halip na mahal yung mabibili mo, at least meron ka pang masisave.
Good news from the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Starting May 1, Labor Day, the government will launch the sale of BBM rice or Bente Bigas Mo, offering rice at just 20 pesos per kilo. The program will initially roll out in Cebu province. Sales of affordable rice will also begin across Kadiwa ng Pangulos centers on May 2, Friday. This initiative fulfills President Marcos Jr. promise to make rice more accessible to Filipinos. It is also part of the administration's broader efforts to combat poverty and hunger.
Mahalaga po ang kapakanan ng taong bayan kay Pangulong Marcos. Papaluwigin pa po ang mga programa para matugunan po ang mga isyu patungkol po sa kahirapan at kagutuman. Yan po ang talagang ninanais at pinapalawig pa po ang programa para ito po ay matugunan. Kabilang na po rito ang 20 pesos kada kilo na bigas. Nandiyan pa rin po ang programang Walang Gutom program ng DSWD. Idagdag pa po natin ang patuloy patungkol dito sa Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program.
According to the Department of Agriculture, those in the vulnerable sectors, including solo parents, persons with disabilities, the poor, and senior citizens like Clarita, can purchase Bente Bigas Mo at Kadiwa centers. Consumers will be allowed to buy up to 30 kilos of rice per month, equivalent to 600 pesos. This is cheaper compared to the market price of over 8,000 pesos for half a sack of well-milled rice.
Mas gusto ko yun. Mas makakatipid lalo ako dun. Eh ngayon, yung 5 kilo kong bigas, baka abutin ng 3 buwan, 2 buwan pa yun. Kasi 20 pesos lang yun eh.
Malacanang clarified the affordable rice will come directly from farmers' harvests. The Agriculture Department earlier assured the rice is of good quality and classified as well-milled rice, typically sold at 38 to 54 pesos per kilo in markets. The palace guaranteed that the program will be sustainable until the end of 2025, and the government will set aside a budget for next year. In connection with this, the palace also highlighted the strengthening of the National Food Authority's rice buffer stock. This follows President Marcos's directive to intensify the procurement of farmers' harvest this season. The NFA reports that it has purchased around 10 million sacks of palay. Its rice inventory has reached 8 million sacks, the highest since 2020, enough to feed the entire Filipino population for 10 days.
Ayon kay NFA Administrator Larry Lacson, may natitirang 12 bilyong piso para sa patuloy na pagbili ng palay ngayong summer harvest. Dagdag pa ng NFA, ang tuloy-tuloy na pagbili ng palay ay hindi lamang para sa mga magsasaka, kundi para rin sa mga pagbibigay ng mas abot-kayang bigas sa mamamayan.
Clazel Partilla, Balitang Pambansa.